Okay, so foam rolling the back of the hips, or piriformis muscle to give it its name. So for this one, I'm going to sit myself on the roller itself, underneath the hips. So piriformis is quite a small muscle, deep in the hips there, so I won't need to go A to B. I'm just looking for one particular tight spot. With this one, I'm just going to rest my hands on the ground, give me support. And from here, depending on your mobility, the ideal position to get to is I'm crossing left over right here, and then if whichever leg I cross, so in this case the left, I'm leaning towards the left hip and applying, just trying to find that muscle deep inside the hip. It's very small, so when I find it there, I'm just going to apply pressure. If I can, I'm going to put this hand on this leg, and then again holding it, depending on how tender it is, 20 to 30 seconds, less if it's tender, just doing what you feel you can. And the more you do this, the more it will ease off. Now if this, mobility wise, is a hard position to get to, I can just kind of cross further down. Same thing, I'm still sort of leaning my weight on the left side of my hips slightly. I'm not rotating over too far. I could even take that foot all the way down there. Again, just find the point that's right for you, and then obviously once you've done one side, eased off one side, repeat again whatever position you can get into. This is ideal, this is the point to build up to, but in the beginning it may look like this. As long as you're kind of leaning on one side and you can feel that tender spot. You may have to look for it in the beginning as well, if you can find that little tender spot deep inside the hips, and then just holding that there for 20 to 30 seconds ideally, depending on how comfortable that is. Okay, that's piriformis, or back of the hip.